Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on Google Meet. We click on Settings, then we click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. And above here we search about Google Meet. You will go to First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.